This was signed in 2021 and we're just now having a hearing on it in 2022.
Judge, I'm having flashbacks. I don't know if you remember that one time where my client couldn't go to the bathroom supposedly, and I kept on buying her sodas and sodas and sodas.
Yes, I remember.
I'll never forget that. I think I bought her like 4 sodas. The bookkeeper was like, "Why are you expensing sodas for the firm?" I'm like, "It's a long story."
There's a line there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Stay back
you not
here.
cross the line.
Sorry, Judge.
That's okay.
I like your
We're all trying, oh, thank you. We're all trying to stay healthy.
Right.
All right, so, Mr. Newman,
Yes, ma'am.
my understanding is that they're saying that they want to, I guess, withdraw an alternate main conditions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
We need negative.
All right, when's the last time you used?
Since it was before, like last day that we had spoken court.
Okay,
Because I had a dirty UA.
Yeah, his issue, Your Honor, is he was using before he pled, and then his first UA while on supervision was dirty.
I don't understand why this case is just being heard because the allegations in the motion are from like February 2021 and October 2020.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor, I can't really explain that. I'm not sure either.
Probation, do you know why that is?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
On Anthony Newman,
Yes, ma'am.
the allegations in the motion are from 2020 and 2021 of February. I'm wondering why this is just being heard. Does anyone know? Because I saw where the motion was signed by me on March 2021.
Let me go into the.
Your Honor, and then just confirm with my client, he hired us in April of this year. So as to before that, I can't really speak to.
Okay. All right, we will find out what's going on because I want to know what's going on. Okay?
Do you want to have him tested, Your Honor?
Yeah, you want to be tested today?
Just like we tested right now. Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you able to go or do you need water?
If you have some water, I'd be.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, you can have him go to the water fountain. Probation,
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Newman is going to do a drug test today.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And then we'll try to figure out what's going on. And Ms. Ferguson, can you look into that? As to what?
15 minutes later.
All right, Mr. Newman. So let's start over. When's the last time you used drugs?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Here's the thing, you're at the point where you just need to tell the truth. You've already tested positive. So when's the last time you used drugs?
3 days ago, ma'am.
All right, so why are you using drugs?
I have ADE and I don't have insurance on.
Nobody's using meth as a placebo or as something to help with ADD. So again, we're back to why are you using drugs?
There really is no reason, ma'am.
Because let me just explain something to you. If you're not honest with the fact that you use drugs, which you were dishonest with the court,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you're still being dishonest as to why you're using drugs, guess what's going to end up happening? You're going to continue to use drugs.
Yes, ma'am.
So here's the thing. You're on deferred adjudication for burglary of a building. That's a state jail felony. The most I could do is send you to the state jail facility for 2 years. So we're at a point in your life, you're at a crossroads. How old are you?
I'm 38 years old, ma'am.
All right, so if you want to go to the state jail facility, I'm sure the state and your attorney can work out an agreement where you can go to the state jail facility and you'll be done. Of course, when you get back out, you'll probably use again. Or either I can give you help if you want help, but I can't give you help if you're being dishonest. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what would you like to do? Would you like to just go ahead and go do your time and be done? Or you want to try to get your life together?
I do want your help. I would like to, I would love to have help for that. For sure.
So are your children still living with you? Because I have you down for parenting classes.
No, ma'am, they're not staying with me right now. They're staying with my mother-in-law.
Which means that Child Protective Services, if somebody is involved, am I right in assuming that?
No, ma'am, actually, it was
Okay.
my mother-in-law back in 2019. I went to jail for getting everything cleared up, and whatnot. And then as I was in jail, she said that I abandoned my kids and
Which you did.
pretty much, and then that's how she has custody. What's that?
So private school, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Grandparents' rights case, right?
Okay.
Correct. Yes,
And
ma'am.
where is the mother of the children?
She's with actually currently still with the mother. She's at the house right now.
All right. So basically what ended up happening is, I don't know why people think when they go to jail, that doesn't mean they've abandoned their child, because the last time I checked, when you go to jail in Bear County, you can't take your children with you.
Correct.
So how old are your children?
The oldest one's 18. The youngest is 13.
All right, so the 13-year-old can't survive while you're in jail, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So probation, Mr. Newman has tested positive for drugs after saying that he would be negative. What are you all asking for?
The recommendation for this amendment on the court summary says deny MTR continue on probation with amended conditions to obtain the drug patch within 10 days, weekly reporting for 90 days, ISP evaluation, and then schedule compliance hearing in 3 months.
I spoke with the state, Your Honor, on Mr. Newman as to the patch. So he had issues with the patch before because he works in pool construction and remodeling. So he was having some issues with the sweat and keeping the patch on, is my understanding. So then state agreed to just have him, I offered having him do a hair follicle every 90 days, but they requested that he do weekly UAs. Our agreement was 90 days, weekly check-ins with probation, and every week he'll be tested during those 90 days. In lieu of the patch.
All right, State, are you aware of Mr. Newman's positive UA?
From a few minutes ago, yes.
Yes, okay. So, well, you all still want to withdraw the motion?
Judge, if I could look at the motion again, but I believe.
All right, the motion is illegal use of a controlled substance and the drug patch. And if both the state and probation want to withdraw, I'll still withdraw it and sign the withdrawal, but I'm going to add different conditions.
Sorry, our agreement wasn't to withdraw. It was to alter and amend, but we still wanted to go forward in front of the court. But
Oh,
we were gonna ask you to deny, Judge.
Oh,
All
my
right.
apologies, I was mistaken.
all right, so we're going to go on the record then.
Oh, okay, my apologies, Your Honor, I misunderstood.
Could I hold the motion? Thanks. Brenda, you ready?
Yes.
Court is calling 2020 CR 1185A, State of Texas versus Anthony William Newman. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense?
Justin Fox.
And are you Mr. Newman?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Anthony William Newman who was placed on deferred adjudication for the offense of burglary of a building with intent to commit theft on September 29, 2020 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am, that is me. It was the 27th, I do believe.
No, you were placed on probation on September 29, 2020 for a period of 3
Yes, ma'am.
years.
Yes, ma'am, you're correct. Yes,
Is
ma'am.
that you?
That's correct.
Is that you?
Yes, ma'am, it is. Your
State?
Honor.
Condition number 23, on or about the 3rd day of February 2021 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Anthony William Newman, did then and there fail to comply with the drug patch requirements, and that drug patch was removed without authorization in violation of condition number 23.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Judge, we'll wait the
Any objections to the waiver?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 23, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 23?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 23 true. Is there an agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge, we're asking that you deny the motion, continue him, alter, and amend to order weekly UAs for 90 days, weekly reporting for 90 days, an ISP evaluation, and to schedule a compliance hearing within 3 months.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is the agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Newman, it appears that you have been missing. I was wondering why the allegations in the motion were from 2020, 2021, because usually in this court, when a motion to revoke is signed, which it was signed by me on March 3rd, 2021, it's usually set for a hearing soon thereafter. Where have you been? Because it appears that you have not been reporting to probation.
I was, actually, the probation, I was supposed to be getting the links or text messages to let me know when to report through Zoom, and I stopped receiving them to get the Zoom report.
So you just thought you were not going to have to report.
And I didn't know if what happened on that situation or who to contact or if what was going on.
So you don't have your probation officer's number?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Your Honor, there, in the court summary, there are some emails from Mr. Newman periodically trying to email probation. So I think he made some attempts to reach out.
All right, then this is what the court is going to do. Court will deny the motion. And auction amend to include the UA hotline until further notice. There's going to be weekly reporting until further notice. I guess we'll do a TAP evaluation and follow recommendations of TAP. But what I can tell you, probation, if TAP is recommending inpatient treatment, we'll just start with intensive outpatient treatment. All right, is there anything else?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from the bench, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Newman, again, you're gonna have to make up your mind on what you want to do. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, good luck to you remaining in the courtroom. Probation will go over conditions with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Sure. All right, and probation on Daniel Salinas, do you know when?
I'm still checking on it.
Okay,
Judge.
all
They'll
right.
give me an answer.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I'll be right back.
Thank you. Is Jimmy or Jerry on the docket today?
Haters gonna hate, I laugh cause you fake. Lawyer mad cause I do something that you can't. Double tap